Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Trishanubani, scientist from India Meteorological Department. I welcome you all to the daily weather briefing. First, we will discuss about the last 24-hour weather realized. So, there was a report of very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Bihar, Assam, and Meghalaya, Uttar Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh, Konkan and Goa, Uttarakhand and Gujarat region, and also over the coastal Karnataka. And also, heavy rainfall report was also there at isolated places over West Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. Also over the Punjab, East Rajasthan, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, and South Interior Karnataka. So the different rainfall realized amount is given here. You can see over the region Konkan and Goa, the Sindhudurg district Devgarh station received 18 centimeter of rainfall. And also if you look at the Gujarat region where Valsad district DRMS stations received 16 centimeter of rainfall. And over the coastal Karnataka and South Interior Karnataka, Dakshin Kannada district Panambur station received 18 centimeter of rainfall. And over the East Madhya Pradesh, Rewa district Hanumana station received 15 centimeter of rainfall. Over the Bihar Begusharai district, Sahebpur Canal received 14 centimeter of rainfall. And over the northeastern state like Assam and Meghalaya, over the East Khasi Hill district, Cherrapunji station received 12 centimeter of rainfall. And other region like East Uttar Pradesh, Kheri district, Palikalan station received 14 centimeter of rainfall. Over West Uttar Pradesh, Bijnor district, Nazibabad station received 12 centimeter of rainfall. And similarly, over the other regions and the associated station and rainfall information are given here. You can clearly see that. We will talk about now the weather highlights. Southwest monsoon has already further advanced into the entire Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, some parts of Rajasthan, entire Delhi, some parts of Punjab and Haryana, Chandigarh by today, that is on 30th June. The northern limit of monsoon now passes through the latitude 24° north and also over the longitude 60° and 65° east, and also over the area Desa, Ratlam, Jaipur, Rohtak, Pathankot and Jammu. Conditions are favorable for further advance of monsoon into some more parts of Rajasthan, entire Punjab and Haryana during next 24 hours. So this is the synoptic systems that is presently existing over the India and its surroundings. You can see there is a east-west trough which is extending from the Punjab up to the northeast Bay of Bengal, across the states Haryana, South Uttar Pradesh, Northeast Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal. Like that, this is the east-west trough. You can clearly see through the green line. Another offshore trough is also present from South Gujarat coast up to the North Karnataka region, representing by the that blue color line. And also there is a cyclonic circulation which is lies in between 3.1 and up to 5.8 kilometer, which is there is a slight tilting of this trough in the southern direction with the height. You can see through this red color C-shaped circle here. So these are the main three synoptic systems. So if you look at the monsoon advance chart, you can see red color basically represents what should be the monsoon based on the long-term average. And if you look at what is actually going on, which is representing by the green line, you can see most part of the India is already covered by the monsoon. And if you look at more statistically, or if you look at the more quantitatively, you can see monsoon has further advanced into entire Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh, some parts of the Rajasthan, entire Delhi, some parts of Punjab and Haryana, Chandigarh by today, that is on 30th June. The northern limit, I already discussed about the northern limit, what are the different lat long and the area over which the northern limit is passing. And also the conditions are favorable for further advance of monsoon into some more parts of Rajasthan, entire Punjab and Haryana during the next 24 hours. So as we already discussed, there are three different synoptic systems are there. So one is the east-west trough, which is running from the Punjab to the northeast Bay of Bengal in lower atmospheric level, and also due to the influence of the moist wind from the Bay of Bengal and also from the Arabian Sea, northern part of the countries, over the northern part of the country, fairly widespread to widespread, light to moderate rainfall with isolated thunderstorm. Lightning is very likely over the state Uttarakhand, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, East Rajasthan and Himachal Pradesh on today and tomorrow, with scattered and fairly widespread activity thereafter. Isolated scattered rainfall activity over Jammu Kashmir and West Rajasthan is also expected during the next 5 days. And also the isolated heavy rainfall likely over Jammu Kashmir on today, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, West Rajasthan on today and tomorrow, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi during from today after the 2nd of July, over the East Rajasthan during today after the 3rd of July, and over the Uttarakhand during next 5 days. Isolated heavy to heavy rainfall also likely over Himachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh on 30th June, that is today, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan on today and tomorrow. Fairly widespread to widespread light to moderate rainfall with isolated thunderstorm lightning is also very likely over Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh during next 5 days. Isolated heavy rainfall is very likely over the region Vidarbha on today, Madhya Pradesh on today after the 2nd of July, and over Chhattisgarh during next 5 days. Isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall also likely over West Madhya Pradesh on today and 1st July. Fairly widespread to widespread rainfall with thunderstorm lightning is also very likely to continue over Bihar, Jharkhand, Orissa and Gangetic West Bengal during next 4 to 5 days. Isolated heavy rainfall is also likely over Jharkhand on today and tomorrow. Bihar during today after the 2nd of July, Gangetic West Bengal on 30th June, that is today, over Orissa during next 5 days. Isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall also likely over Orissa on 4th of July. So another synoptic system, which is the offshore trough at mean sea level from South Gujarat coast to the North Karnataka coast, and also the strong westerly and southwesterly wind along the west coast in the lower tropospheric level. So under the influence of this synoptic systems, we are also expecting widespread light to moderate rainfall with thunderstorm lightning over Konkan and Goa, coastal Karnataka, Kerala and Mahe, and scattered to fairly widespread rainfall activity over Gujarat, Madhya Maharashtra and interior Karnataka during next 5 days. Isolated heavy rainfall is also likely over Gujarat region during 30 June after the 3rd July. Madhya Maharashtra on today, coastal Andhra Pradesh on today, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal on today after the 2nd of July, and over Konkan, Goa, coastal Karnataka, Kerala, Mahe and south interior Karnataka during next 5 days. Isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall also likely over Konkan and Goa during today after the 2nd July, over coastal Karnataka on today. So this is the weather warning for the next 5 days in a color representation. You can see most part of the India, specifically the region like eastern part of the Rajasthan and also Uttarakhand and West UP, including the Delhi region, has given the orange alert, and also over the state Assam and Meghalaya has also given the orange alert in terms of the heavy rainfall and thunderstorm lightning. And if you look at the 1st of July, the similar situation is also there. But on 2nd, after the 4th of July, the weather activity may be reduced from most part of the India. You can see through the green color representation. So these are the different IMDFs like Monsoon, Damini, Magdut app. You can try those apps. These are available in Android as well as iOS platform. You can download these and check those apps. And also you can follow us in Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Thank you.